Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use and customize my Formula 1 2021 AWS striking distance graphic. Okay, so when you download the project, it should open up in this export here comp, the orange one. So you want to open up main comp, you see we have the entire graphic here. First of all, we're going to open up main information, and we're going to open up chasing information, and this is where we'll have the position which the driver is chasing. So we'll have the driver is chasing third and its gap ahead. So the way you change it is you just double click this and change it to say like fourth or first, and the gap you just double click and you change the gap. Next of all, we have the in number of laps text. So if you open up this comp, we have of course all the text, and it appears like this. Like that. I've set up a small expression, which means that if we click type in 2, it automatically changes it to laps. So you can change this to say 15 and it automatically changes it. So we're just going to set this to 4. Next, we're going to change the 2 cars. So we have 4 comps here. It doesn't matter which one you open. I'm just going to choose this. And included in the project should be all your cars. So let's say we want to change this to Red Bull, and let's change it to a Red Bull. And if we open up chasing car, we've got the exact same thing. We could change it to say like Alpha Tauri, and that updates it here. Next we have driver head name, which is quite simple. You just double click and you change it. And then we have driver chasing name, that's exactly the same. Then we have driver head team color stripe. You want to make sure you've got your normal tool selected here, and then you can just change it to set up the team color, and that's the exact same. You click on this layer, go up here and change the color. Okay, so you want to go back to your main comp, then you want to open up difficulty line info, and this is of course a difficulty line. The way that we're going to do it, we're going to open up this comp, we're going to click this layer. We're going to press M on our keyboard, and we're going to select mask path. Make sure V is, we're going to click V on our keyboard, so make sure we've got the selection tool. We're just going to drag select on here. We want to make sure not to select that point there, so you just want to drag down and select these. Then you want to use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the line to either be fully difficult or really easy, and you can just mess around with that depending on how difficult it's actually going to be. We're going to put it about in the just below the middle here, like that. So that's how you customize the battle forecast graphic. Of course, in main comp we have main color, which we can change to say blue, and then that changes all this stuff to blue. And we also have a new one, which is AWS cloud. So you want to click on the layer, click F3 to bring up the properties. So you want to change this to like green, and that changes it for everything. So now we have all the AWS stuff is updated to green. The fonts required for this project to work, there are 2 new ones, one made by Slime King and one adjusted by me. So you're going to have to install those 2 fonts. Included with the project file will be a zip file or .zip. In there will be all the fonts you need, so if you just install the ones that you haven't installed already, then you'll be fine. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. This has been a tutorial for my striking distance graphic. I hope it's useful and I hope you enjoy using it. Very soon I'm going to release my race intro graphic, because that's pretty much ready. Then it will be the track map, but there are quite a lot of adjustments that I need to make to the track map. So that's for watching, guys. See ya.